Hello everyone, Jason Gibson here with Opti-Coat with your Optimum tip of the week.
This week's tip, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your vehicle's interior hard surfaces like your door panels, your dash, your steering wheel, and your leather seats with an Optimum No Rinse dampened towel. We're going to take the Optimum No Rinse dampened towel and just simply wipe the vehicle surface. A little bit of firm pressure is all it's needed, and it's going to be cleaning off any dust, any dirt, or anything left on the surface and leaving it nice and clean. I'm going to clean the whole door panel, wiping the cracks and crevices while we're at it. And then we're going to continue on to the interior of the vehicle and proceed to clean the steering wheel. And you can just see the dirt being removed from the steering wheel, all the film, greasy buildup. And then proceed on to the dash. Cleaning the dash as we go, wiping the cracks and crevices, removing the dirt and the dust. And then proceed on to the leather seat. Wiping the leather seat, removing the film of dirt, dust, and anything else that may be left on the surface. So there you have it, a quick and easy tip on how to wipe your interior hard surfaces down with an O&R dampened towel. So stay tuned for more helpful tips, and until next time, have an optimum day.
Optimum tip of the week.